Here I've got Realme 5 Pro, and let me show you all the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, and let me start with the first code, which is the shortest one but truly useful, and it is *#06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both IMEI numbers assigned to your device, to your Realme 5 Pro. So if you need to provide somebody with this IMEI number, smoothly enter this 5 digits long code, and then you will have it right in front of you. Then click on OK to go back, and now it's time for the second code, and it is *##, *##225, #**. And as you can see, now you enter the calendar info. So once you enter this code, you will be provided with all events, celebrations, important dates that are included in both your Google Calendar and also in the calendar from your internal storage. So that's it. Here you've got everything, and from now on you will not forget about any upcoming event. So let's go to the third code, which is *##, *426, ***. And as you can see, now we are in diagnostic mode, and here you can check events and also status. And if you would like to apply advanced view, just tap on the more icon and then select advanced view, and here you've got the details. So this is it for this code. And now we will open the hardware info. To do it, just enter *888#. And here you've got engineering mode, the hardware version. You can smoothly scan it if you want to, and this is it. Now let's go to another code, and it is *##6776#. And here you got the software version info. So smoothly by entering this code, you can check all the very important information like model, Android version, baseband version, kernel version, master date, version, color version, branch version, and many other useful details. So this is it. Let's go back, and now we've got the last code, which will allow us to enter engineering mode, and the code is *##800#. And as you can see, now we are in engineering mode, so you can check panic and app inspection here, then modem, YANG files, Wi-Fi, GPS, media, camera, others. You can also activate screen recording here. You can check log history. You can then open the suggestions and also the settings. If you will click here, then you can check the settings of your default apps, then about network, Wi-Fi, audio, GPS, Bluetooth sensor, and also the camera. You can also pick user type, and then you can change the user type to either QA mode or user mode. And this is it. These are all secret codes that you can use in your Realme 5 Pro. Use them as often as you need to, and also as often as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.